Hi, everybody. Good morning. Dr. Bob here. Welcome to week 8. Um, your midterm exams were great. Saw some really promising work there. Again, it depends on where you're going with your education, but I always advise students to never throw away a paper. You never know when you're going to use it again. And I've seen some really good examples on your midterms of that. So please hang on to those. You never know when you might be able to use that work again. Um, Most of you no problems with your grammar, your sentence structure, that sort of thing. A few of you just minor things. Um, I don't really bother correcting them. I just, if I can point them out to you, fine. Just make sure in the future if I said something to you about your grammar, just read it over real carefully before you submit. I know myself, I do the same thing, and if I don't double and triple check something before I send it, I always catch something. So, but again, all of your work was really good. Okay, moving on. The term paper is coming up due. I've had a few of you talk to me about it, and I've posted or enabled, I should say, uh, you being able to access the term paper. You've had access to it since the beginning of the term, but some of you were having difficulty finding it. So I think I've opened up all the channels to it. I think you shouldn't have any trouble finding that assignment, the term paper. You may, once you open it up and decide which one you want to answer, which way you want to go, be able to use the work that you've already done in this course, whether it is on the discussion boards, your exam, and even the quizzes, the terms and concepts that come out of the quizzes, something from the lecture material. You're welcome to use any of those materials in your term paper. And again, what I'm looking for there, not too concerned about some of the formatting, more concerned about the content. Are you making a good argument? Are you using good examples? Whether you chose Blatter or Noel and a particular topic to discuss. So that's what I'm really looking for there. Okay, discussion board this week, Hispanic Americans and their differential experiences, if you will, primarily in assimilating their experiences in coming to the United States and how it certainly was unequal for various groups, whether we're talking about Cubans, immigrants, or we're talking about immigrants from Mexico, South America, Spain, all the Hispanic American countries and individuals and groups that, whether we're talking about different ethnic groups all around the world and their experiences here and those who were here, if you will, before the U.S. Became the U.S., if you will. So all of that on the discussion board this week. All right, that's about all I have for you this week. Again, as always, I'm here for you. I saw that some of you struggled a little bit with last week's quiz. It was a little bit of a tough one, wasn't it? Some of those terms very similar, especially some of the acts that we're looking at there. So, okay, wish you all well this week. And as always, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please get a hold of me. So have a great week. I'll talk to you then. Bye.